Everything we've done from the outset has been design-led, and I've really tried to build a design-led culture into Fliteboard. Water sports has always been a passion of mine since I was a kid. Growing up, it became a little bit of almost like a religion for me as my place to get out and get some peace on the water. And then ending up here in Byron on a sabbatical to discover that there was no wind for most of the year. It's offshore. And then having this need to get out on the water, and I call it a need, not a want, to get out on the water on my foil, but no wind. And then the idea came to add a battery, add a motor and a Bluetooth hand controller. And I thought, how incredible would it be to be able to fly across the water without needing the wind? I'd never built a product before. I mean, I'd always wanted to be an industrial designer. So I thought, well, okay, if I'm going to make a product, the one thing I know how to do is design a product for myself as the client. And that's going to be super authentic. And hopefully there'll be other people out there like me that will want that product as well. From the original idea that I had back in 2016, we're now 8 years on here in Byron. We employ around 100 people, and then there's probably another 40 people around the world that are in our team. We've got an office in the Netherlands that does our European distribution and customer support. We've got an office in the US as well. US is our biggest market. We've now sold about 13,500 Fliteboards, more than 90 countries. We've got an app that connects to all of our Fliteboards, have a GPS, and it connects to the Fliteboards and downloads the log data, and we've got that visualized in our app. And our customers have racked up about 8.1 million kilometres of flightboarding. A lot of flightboarding around the world, which we're really proud of. A lot of people having an incredible experience. Empathy is a word that I use a lot in our business, and that's exactly what it's all about. It's really, putting yourself in the shoes of those customers, being one of those customers, imagining the scenarios that those customers might find themselves in and how you would react, particularly for customer support and things like that as well, and designing customer support. And so empathy is really the key to, I think, being a good creative. A typical customer is really me. For me, I really created myself the perfect product and the perfect job. This is a fusion of all the things that I love. So it's water sports, technology, consumer electronics. It's design of an object as a piece of art as much as a piece of machinery. Design is at the heart of everything that every human loves. If you look around you and think about your favourite possessions, your favourite experiences, they've been designed. There is nothing great in this world that's been created by humans that has not come from a design process and a design focus.